I have this problem with my fancy hydraulic excavator. I reprogrammed the heck out of my controller so that the controller mode is different than what comes factory on excavators like this. That's a very hard sound to get used to. When you overextend the boom or anything in any direction, it makes this clicking sound. Okay, so the clicking sound is not when you overextend the boom. It is when you put too much weight onto any of the components. Like that. It's hard to get used to.